550 and a half. Good. Nice RNG at the bottom. Veldon's RNG is terrible. I don't know what planet its RNG is worse, Holostar or Veldon. I guess Holostar, because Holostar will lose you a lot more time. But I still despise Veldon. $127. $215 and a half. A 48 and a half. Ah, yes. This is a good start. Oh my god, is this going to be a 256 and a half? Oh my god, that might have been a regular 256. That's good. Imagine if I got bounce tracks just now. That would be even better, but I didn't get them. Oh well, not a big deal. A 326 entry. This is sexy. Oh my god! That killed a sexy pace. But oh well. 359. That was kind of a sucky VR. I shouldn't have let go of the analog stick so early. But it's fine. Oh my god. $550 and a half. if I got a good VR, that might have been the sub 545. Oh my god, where am I? God. Okay. First try. Nice. 6:25.5. I'm 7 seconds ahead. What's with this camera? $7.13. Ah, yes. Really good pace so far. I remember when Zen was 35, it was like, a 34 is like getting 139 in Mario 64. As in, like, it's insanely insane and pretty much impossible. And now we think it's completely doable. And we think that it can even go down to 34-30. Which is cool. That didn't make me lose any time. So it's okay. Yeah, I know, them. Still, it's just proven how much this game has changed in the last year. And this year has been a massive year for Ouya. But seriously, Zem, how hard is a 139 in Mario 64? Yeah, we've just gotten better. That was bad. But it's fine. It's fine. $10.08. That was a terrible mission 3. But overall, still not too bad. I don't think this is my best pace though. Oh my god, I missed him. I still killed him in the end. Still not the best. Still not the best mission one. That was a decent mission too. Phew, I thought I was going to kill him again. Why are they calling me at this time? Oh, terrible shit. Oh my god, this is terrible. Yes! Did you want me? Then why were you yelling? I'm the one yelling now. This is a really bad Arcadia though. And if it wasn't for me, I wouldn't have found his new strat for Nation. I'm not going to do it, but I'm going to see how the clip goes in this run if I make it there. I do not want another bad mission 5 which is going to kill the run. Okay, I missed him. Good. That was risky, but I still made it. This is more like it. That was a weird angle. Whoops. My best pace is a 17:01. Oh my god, just charge. $17:04. I'm 2 seconds out of world record, but doesn't really matter. That was still a really bad Marcadia. It was a really bad Marcadia. Terrible. I mean, even if I do miraculously world record, I'll still want to improve this. Oh my god, terrible RNG. I wasn't able to leave that quickly enough. I'm gonna do the old stuff for now. My best pace out of this place is a 28:10. No, not 28:10. 20:10. A 28:10 nation is dreadful. Oh my god. I would have clipped if I had the thingy in my inventory. Oh my god! I hate it when I can't one-shot this guy. $20.13. IN says it's possible. We'll have to. I'll experiment with it at some point. This one jump is why the Japanese version is slower. That one jump. Oh my god. It's okay. I thought it was going to get bad to try and challenge you where he gets stuck over there. Are you, wait, are you talking about Annihilation Nation, or are you talking about here? Oh my god, Zem's done the clip a million times. This is a Zem from the future. Let's get this. Thank you. You do mean. And I mean, you can facepalm me if you want. Okay, I'm like 10 seconds out of my PB. 23:18. I'm like 5 seconds behind world record. I didn't get my single load Draco again. It's not the end of the world. I really hope that load is abusable everywhere, or that load can happen anywhere. And with a short load. It's really not a long one. I said that Taz could go down to 30. I might have been exaggerating, I don't know. If I were to be completely honest. I thought there'd be like enough load screens for it to be a 3-minute time save. Okay, 1 bonk, that's good. 1 bonk is good. I mean, 1 bonk. I mean, surely I fear even the idea of bonking in, like, where is it? Belden, even Florana for that matter. But still, bonking once, doing the Avani clip is completely fine. I mean, I bonked a few times in my PB, but then again, I saved 4 seconds from the load screens. $25.08. I do wonder how much slower that is compared to the charge strat. Ooh, I nearly got a 49. And I ended with a 25:56. 5 seconds behind world record. Can I still get world record? I don't know. But don't enter V-Comic 4 again. That was one of the major killers of my PB. Phew. Well, I'm already ages ahead of my PB. Didn't take much effort. I am doomed. Oh no! Okay, I'm okay. I'm not going to get the sub 28. But it's certainly the best pace I've ever been on by ages. No, 2808. 2508. I bet the Taz could do that if it could abuse the load screens. Even that might be stretching it, but it's a Taz. A Taz can do anything. Oh, I should have switched the whip, but whatever. Charge for a bit longer, but whatever, again. Oh my god, I was scared there. Oh my god, that was bad. Or at least it wasn't as good as I would have hoped. Not something I particularly wanted to happen. $29, 24 and a half. What kind of pace am I on? I don't know. Oh, I nearly entered. Where is it? Iridia. I nearly entered Iridia. That would have been bad. Whoops. Not a game breaker. $30, 47 and a half. If I got the jump first try, that it would have been better, but I didn't. Okay, I'm just angling myself. I messed this SI up once in my PB, but it was the bottom bit, so I didn't lose that much time. $32.37. I'm probably going to go for my safe strats in Command Center. To be honest. Oh my god, I wall jumped. Yeah, I'm not getting world record. But I might be getting the 35. That was a 33.59, which is 14 seconds behind a world record. So if I get a really good Nefarious, I can get a 35.30. Then again, Nefarious can glitch up on me, which he has done many times before. The first run I ever did, the game crashed, which was horrible. I was going to get something like a 109 anyway. Oh my god. Oh my god! That shield never wants to work. Yeah, I'm not getting the sub. Whatever. I might be able to get a 35.40. Maybe. Maybe not. $35.51. May not have been, world record. That was kind of a bad Nefarious as well. But at least I finally got the 35. I mean, I'm going to continue playing this game until I get, a sub 35.30 as well. But yes, I finally got that 35. I've been waiting over a month to get this, and now I finally got it. As for the run, the early game was mostly pretty good. I got a really good Veldin and Florana combined. I'm not sure I am, but I am so bad at using the Rhino against Nefarious that I use it anyway. My VR training could have been a lot better. My entry was good, but I had to use backup strats. My Dax, that was pretty good. My Barney Gemini was pretty good. My Blackwater kind of sucked. My Marcadia sucked. My nation went okay. My Holostar went pretty well. My Draco went pretty well. And most of the endgame went pretty well. That's all I can really say. So overall, the run mostly went well. There are a few bits that didn't go too well, but it overall was pretty good. So yeah, that's it.